Its review rating is 10.0, which is the exceptional. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this property.
You can see on the screen details like room size, bed type, room view, amenities, facilities, and images, etc. Next, we talk about amenities of this property. So you can see on the screen, all guests will be required to present photo ID at check-in.
The property accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival.
The location of the property is superb. Guests have to enjoy the surroundings. One category of people who generally long time to stay. Several days and offers are available online for this property, along with various plans and payment policies. If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description. For if you have already checked out from this property, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new on this channel or you have not subscribed to our channel, hit subscribe our channel